Social media may have begun as a way to connect friends and family, but over time it has evolved into so much more. Today, social media networks represent a way for brands to connect and engage with their followers. And whether that brand be a well-established company or a blossoming blogger, there's no denying the very important role that social media will play in their longevity. However, as social media sites have risen in prevalence and popularity, it can be hard to distinguish yourself from other people or companies. As a blogger, it can be especially difficult to get noticed. After all, you're competing with businesses that have a monthly ad budget that may very well be more than you expect to earn in your entire year. So how do you overcome such a giant obstacle? With professional, personalized social media posts that help build your brand and solidify you as an experienced pro. Creating a professional-looking social media post is no walk in the park. Even if you're using static content, you'll still need to have some design ability and some sort of photo editing software, the majority of which are not exactly beginner-friendly. And even more expertise and time will be required if you plan on using more dynamic content like video. That's where social media templates really come in handy. With special presets for Instagram stories, Facebook posts, and everything else you could imagine, they take all the guesswork out of social media design, making it much more accessible. Represent your brand the way you want to with a distinct professional edge, using our 20 social media templates. What's the best way to stand out on a feed where essentially every image is the same size and shape? Make your Instagram a unique shape. This collection of Instagram masks is full of familiar silhouettes like feathered hearts and stars and more abstract shapes. With 52 different creative templates, you'll be able to transform even your most mundane photo into an engaging post that represents you and your brand. The best part is just how easy it is to do. All you need to do is place your image on a smart object and decide which mask fits better by turning on and off folders in the document. Quick and easy customization right at your fingertips. Though these are not a social media post in and of themselves, text effects are one of the best ways to elevate your social content. These text effects boast a cool, edgy vibe that feels fresh and new. Inspired by techno music and digital art, they'll ensure that nothing else in your feed looks like your brand. This distorted effect can be difficult to achieve even for a pro. However, with these 24 shape mesh templates for Adobe Illustrator, you can add all the unexpected twists and turns you want with ease. These Instagram templates work especially well with cool headers and infographics, but layer them over a textured background or a moody image and you'll find that they look surprisingly professional. Like we said, standing out on Instagram can be difficult because all the content is regulated to the same size and shape. Product shots and everyday photos often get lost in the abyss that is an Instagram feed. If altering your photos with masks to give them unique shapes didn't tickle your fancy, these templates are a wonderful alternative. Essential and sophisticated at the same time, these 20 masks are hand-drawn and give your photos a desirable feathered edge that almost breathes an air of antiquity to your feed. And all it takes to apply these are a few clicks. Simply download the masks and get to work. Your followers are waiting. These social media templates leave nothing to chance. With professionally designed, elegant layouts and crisp graphics, they ensure that anything and everything you post shows you at your absolute best. Use fun and whimsical templates or go for something strikingly beautiful. One of the most valuable things bloggers do is to provide unbiased product reviews to the general public. So, chances are, when you do a review, more people than just those that already know you will read it. In this case, it's especially important to make sure that your brand comes across professionally as an authority. With these mock-up scene creators, everything you need to display products in a beautiful manner is ready with just a click of the mouse. With the lovely natural tones in this pack, interior design bloggers will be right at home. This pack of social media templates is perfect for any blogger who covers illustrative or interior design topics. Use it to creatively display your work or others, or demonstrate decorative shelving techniques, a super popular Instagram trend. Set fashion photos or interior design schemes in the absolute best light possible with this elegant pack of templates. Designed by creators for creators, and it shows. This pack is perfect for adding gilded accents to any of your photos. Adding additional elements ensures that your layout flows well and that the subject of the image doesn't appear lonely or out of place. Although this mock-up scene creator is 4th of July themed, many of these elements are useful year-round. A lifestyle blogger can cheers their followers with a glass of wine, while a bullet journal blogger can add a cup of coffee and some headphones to their monthly layout post. Calling all fashion and design bloggers, these social media templates are here to make your life 1,000 times easier. Creating a mood board is a great way to connect with your followers and provide quick design tips and tricks, but it can be really time-consuming formatting everything so that the layout is correct and everything looks good together. Use them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or wherever you engage with your audience. Even helpful for architects and agencies, this is the perfect tool to share your creative vision. Is there a better way to stand out from the crowd than with bright colors and dazzling animations? We think not. You may have been hesitant to produce this content because it typically requires a fair bit of experience with digital design software. However, thanks to this pack of Instagram templates, posting an animated Instagram story with engaging pops of color and inviting animations just became incredibly doable. You can change the text, photos, and colors to match your own personal brand, and the ultra-modern look gives your profile an undeniably sleek vibe. And moving content encourages your audience to take a look. Any blogger can step up their Instagram game with these templates. Similarly to the previous social media template, you can use this pack to quickly achieve a recognizable, professional-looking Instagram story. However, this option offers more muted colors, making it perfect for bloggers who cover more serious topics like finance or real estate. This story template lets the photos do the talking by minimizing distracting text and letting dynamic shapes do all the talking. Certain social media templates like this Christmas sale one are designed to be used for specific occasions. However, that doesn't mean that it's the only time you can use them. With easy editing and full color control, you can eliminate the holiday elements and let the fresh green shine. Stickers are a great way to add a fun flair to your Instagram story while maintaining a fun face. They're more customizable than standard templates, and with so many different packs to choose from, you can find one that's appropriate for almost any occasion. We've rounded up some of our favorites here. Start creating! With these 20 unique social media templates, you'll be sure to step up your Instagram stories in no time. Feel free to check out all the social media templates on FilterGrade.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for professional LUTs, Lightroom desktop and mobile presets, Premiere Pro templates, and more photo and video education, visit FilterGrade.com today.